And hello again. I've flipped around the tarp to its regular setup. Still got the things here. I'm using carbiners to keep the things from flapping. And it's doing okay, I guess. The nightly sundowner winds are here, and with my weight in the hammock, it's doing okay. But it's maybe 15 miles an hour right now, maybe 10 with gusts up to 15, and you can actually feel the tents of stand shaking. I lost the little thing in the middle to stretch out the front and the back. That's why what I liked about doing it the other direction. Yeah, of course, doing it with just that much space to work with, it's really hard to give it a fair shake. I need to get it to a campground or a park or something and really spread it out, but the footprint's already huge for the whole thing. But I'll keep playing with it. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.